What is the average cost of fence installation by Lowe's?
Hello there, and welcome to our video. Today, we're discussing a topic that many homeowners are curious about: the average cost of fence installation by Lowe's. This is an important question, as the cost can significantly impact your budget and the choice of your fencing material.
What factors determine the cost?
The cost of fence installation by Lowe's depends on a variety of factors. First and foremost is the type of material you choose. This could range from wood, vinyl, metal, to composite materials, each coming with its own price tag. Another major factor is the size of the area to be fenced. Larger areas obviously require more materials and labor, which increases the cost. Labor cost also plays a crucial role. Depending on the complexity of the installation process, the labor cost may vary.
What is the average cost?
The average cost of fence installation by Lowe's can be somewhat difficult to pinpoint due to these varying factors. However, as a general guide, the average cost can range from $1,500 to $4,000. This includes both material and labor costs. Remember, this is a rough average, and the actual cost can be lower or higher depending on the aforementioned factors.
How can I save on fence installation?
There are several ways you can save on fence installation. One is by choosing more affordable materials. Another way is to measure your area accurately to avoid wasting materials. And finally, take advantage of any sales or discounts Lowe's may offer during certain periods of the year. So there you have it. The average cost of fence installation by Lowe's generally ranges between $1,500 and $4,000, depending on several factors. Keep in mind that this is a ballpark figure, and the actual costs can vary. We hope this video has been helpful and sheds light on your budgeting for a fence installation project. Happy fencing!